Our top focus: with just 4 days to go for polls, income tax officials are carrying out raids at the residences of Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Kamal Nath's aides. The raid is being carried out by 15 tax officials from Delhi at Officer on Special Duty Praveen Kakkar's home in Indore. This has been taking place since pre-dawn. At about 3 o'clock this morning, those raids were conducted and are still taking place. This is in connection with an alleged Hawala case. A team of 300 officials of the IT department are conducting raids at 50 different locations across the country. R.K. Miglani, who is the advisor to Kamal Nath, his house is also being searched in Green Park in the national capital. Officials have seized IT documents from his residence. Meanwhile, Congress has cried political vendetta and termed the IT raids as a revenge act.
शुद्ध रूप से बदले की कार्रवाई मोदी सरकार ने की है और मोदी सरकार लोकसभा के चुनाव के दरमियान लोगों को परेशान करने पर तुली हुई है, जिससे लोकसभा में उनको सीटें बढ़ जाए। लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होने वाला। हमारी सरकार जब राहुल जी के नेतृत्व में बनेगी तो अमित शाह जैसे लोगों के यहाँ पर भी हम छापे डलवाएंगे।
करोड़ों करोड़ों रुपए आपके यहाँ से कैश निकल रहे हैं, इसमें कौन सा पॉलिटिकल वेंडेटा है? और वो अगर कैश निकल रहा है तो उसको आप एक्सप्लेन करिए। ऐसा थोड़ी होता है कि आप मतलब काला धन भर करके थोक के हिसाब से रखा हुआ है और आपके खिलाफ इसलिए कार्रवाई नहीं होगी कि आप कांग्रेस पार्टी के बहुत बड़े नेता हैं।
And Heminder will be joining me from Bhopal in a short while from now, and Tanushree is joining me from outside Miglani's house in Delhi where the raids are taking place. Tanushree, tell us more about what's happening inside the residence as we speak.
Well, Vedika, that's right. In fact, the officials of IT department, around a team of 300 IT officials have been carrying out searches and raids across the country at 50 different locations since 3 a.m. And it's been more than 8 hours that these searches and raids are still underway. I'm right now outside Rajendra Kumar Miglani's residence. This is R7 at Green Park Extension in the national capital. And if I could ask my camera person to just pan and show you that the IT officials and the Delhi cops, Delhi police officials are still inside and they are taking out documents. Now, as far as Mr. Miglani is concerned, I would like to tell you that he is a former advisor to MP Madhya Pradesh CM Kamal Nath, and he resigned after the elections got over, but he has always been under the scanner of IT department. And now the IT department, in fact the income tax department officials, sources are telling us that they have enough proof to go about with the searches and the raids, and that is why hence these searches are taking place today. Now, as far as the money trail is concerned, this is an alleged Hawala case in which under which these searches are taking place. But just a short while ago, the IT officials took out a lot of documents, seized a lot of documents from Mr. Miglani's residence, all related to this alleged Hawala transaction. But as far as money trail is concerned, we have no confirmation as of as to how much money is being recovered as far as Delhi is concerned. But the sources are telling us that rupees 9 crore has already been recovered by the income tax department officials from across other locations in the country. Now, also, sources are telling us, Vedika, that the family is inside, though the family is being slightly being questioned at this point of time inside Mr. Miglani's residence. Mr. Miglani is said to be in Bhopal, but I can tell you that this is a big, setback to the Congress party, because just a few days before the Lok Sabha election, such kind of raids are going to go, not going to go down well with the voters. Well, that only time will tell. But I can tell you, Vedika, right now that the raids are going to definitely trigger another political slugfest on the ground. As of now, Mr. Miglani's residence is being searched by income tax officials. They are still inside and getting documents out. Vedika, over to you.
Any word coming in from R.K. Miglani at this point?
Well, as far as Mr. Miglani is concerned, there is no word from him. We haven't heard from any of the spokesperson or any aide of Rajendra Kumar Miglani, who was a former advisor to MP CM Kamal Nath. But as far as his family is concerned, Vedika, I can tell you that his family remains to be inside. They are being slightly questioned by, on a very lighter note, they are being questioned by the IT department officials and also by the Delhi police official, but no active interrogation is going on at this point of time. Mr. Miglani Miglani is right now, according to sources, is in MP, and he is tight-lipped about all these raids. But many important documents have been seized under this alleged Hawala transaction by the income tax officers, but no money has been as of now recovered from Mr. Miglani's residence. This is what I can tell you, which we are learning from our sources in the agency, Vedika.
Are the raids going to last? Is it going to be a full day that it's going to take as far as these IT raids in Miglani's home is concerned? What are you learning from your sources within the IT department?
Well, Vedika, all these raids and searches are pre-dawn raids. These raids at 50 different locations across the country started at around 3 a.m. and 4 a.m. in the morning this morning. And what we are learning from our sources in the agency that these raids are going to go down at least till the later part of the day, till afternoon 3 to 4 p.m. This is what our sources in the agencies are telling us, because it's already been more than 7 to 8 hours that the IT officials are conducting raids inside the residence, and also at different locations at Delhi, NCR, Goa, Bhopal and Indore. Officials are still inside, and officials are telling us that the process is going to take another 3 to 4 hours. So let's expect that these raids are at least going to go till the afternoon, till at least late evening, which is 4 to 5 p.m. Vedika.
Tanushree, do stay with me. We have some breaking news coming in.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.